forward to, and that's it.
Well, that doesn't work with video. Step back because you can't see the... I think she's settled down.
Yeah, I think she's comfy in it. She's probably going to fall asleep. What do you think?
Oh, we've got pictures of the tree wiggling.
See her tail? Where's her head?
Well, you're going to block the view.
Sorry. Her head's over here now. Hi.
She's trying to get comfortable, is it? Did she reach out at you?
Yeah, she's going to slap me.
She did that
She's
to
not
me.
burning yet.